Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 10th and the chart of the day for today is the S&P 500 SPX 60 minutes time frame here. Now you can see right here that we are now looking to finish with 5 in the minute degree, which subdivides into 5 waves, and once we finish that we should be ending with 3 in the higher degree. This is the minor degree here, then see a bigger pullback in the wave 4. So we should be getting closer to finish this with 3 over here. Now in fact we could have, for example, adjusted the count slightly like this, and that means we are already ending 5 now, and then that will mean we can, for example, start to see the bigger pullback, right? So there are a couple of different ways you can modify the count, but the idea here is that we should be getting close to finish this with 5 in the minute degree and also with 3 in the minor degree. So that's sort of the main takeaway. Now if I zoom out into the 4-hour here, now let me copy this 3 and 4 here. So we are now ending with 5, which basically is getting close to finish. And then so the 1 and 2, right? The 1 and 2 should be here. This is 1 and this is 2, right? And now you see this ending with 3. And this is the low after the tariff war announcement, right? April 7. So that means this is your 1 and 2 here. So you are, I mean, it's possibly nesting right now, 1, 2. And once it's complete, you got a 4, which should be similar size to this and this, most likely. So a little bit bigger pullback, not a sell, but it's a little bit bigger pullback. And then potentially after that, one more push higher to finish a 5 waves from April 7. That's what we like. Now the alternate, which we don't like as much, is the idea that this is labeled as an A, B with a very unusual extended C, right? Very unusual extended C. Now in that particular case, then this is counted as a correction against the initial sell-off after Mr. Trump announced a tariff war, right? And then that becomes your W, and this becomes an X as an ABC, and then sell off like this. That's what we do not like, because again the third leg looks to be unusually extended for an ABC correction. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible, anything is possible, but it's unusual if that happens, right? So that means we do favor a completed 5 waves from here, and therefore we're looking for pullback and then another leg up. Now, in the shorter cycle though, as I've been mentioning, this wave 3 should be getting near. Now, don't just look at the 1 hour and think everything has to move according to all the lines here and all the level has to be exact. It doesn't work that way. And the key takeaway, like I want to stress out, is the idea that we should be getting close to finish 5 here and also 3, and then see a bigger pullback after that before we continue to extend higher again one more time. All right. So that's the update for today, and as always, if you want to get more updates and forecasts of different instruments, stocks, ETF, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial here. You can click this. This is our website, and I will provide all the link, by the way, in the description of the video. Just want to show you where you can find it. So you can click this one to start 14 days trial, only 99 cents to try our service. If you are new members, never been with us, and if you want to see after the trial what is available, what kind of plans and subscription, you can click this one, plans and pricing here. and check out all the different plans we have, and also in the pricing depending on which how many coverage you want here. And you can see the difference between the different tier of the plan. And then finally, if you just want to learn about Elliott Wave, and because this subscription plan actually gives you the actual forecast, the actual charts, but let's say if you are completely new and you don't know how to read and you still want to learn more about Elliott Wave, then you can check our education here, which we do have many different classes that will teach you how to understand Elliott Wave and how to trade using Elliott Wave. So you can check this out to see if there's anything that can help you out. Okay, so like I said, I will provide all the direct links in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.